driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
I'm gonna fall down. It's your fault if I fall down.
Balance. Balance.
Yeah.
Balance. Don't worry about that. You just go up there. Balance. Balance. You gotta push. Balance. Push.
Dad, when I come...
Push. Don't be scared. Push away. Push.
No.
Push. So you can do it.
Good morning! Happy Thursday! Hi!
Balance.
Hello! October 5 today. Hello, boys! Where's... Hi, Dad!
Hey.
How are you? My best friend! I miss you. Say hi to my vlog.
Like,
Hi.
Where you going now?
Are you gonna sleep over here?
yeah.
No?
Roundism.
Why not?
Hello.
Why? You don't want to sleep here?
No, he wants to.
You want?
No, he's gonna sleep.
Magyo-yoga na sana ako. Dumating sila. Sleep here. I'm gonna make cake. Oh, tita. Gonna make... Huh?
That's a no.
Your dad?
Who's that?
Zach? Why you say no? He says... Yes, you can sleep here, okay? You sleep here. Zach, why did you say that? I miss you. I miss you. Yeah. Si Holly nakabis na kasi aalis siya mamaya. Ihatid ko siya kila Auntie Mel kasi magsha-shopping sila.
When I got up, I think, so I'll leave it on because of have a bit of light in there.
Yeah.
Get out as a toilet and things. Yeah.
Good job. Switch? Oh, nice, Hunt. You have Super Mario, Hunt? Oh my God, Daddy. Hindi siya pumasok kasi hindi maganda yung weather. Umalis siya, chinek niya, hindi talaga.
Don't open those with that TV.
What TV?
That one.
Ah, yung TV na
Top one.
the oldest TV, Han? How many years you had that? 20? More?
Yeah.
Nandiyan pa din. Matagal na namin yung nilabas dyan sa kwarto ni Holly nung nag-start ako mag-live selling. Hanggang nandiyan pa din kasi walang kumukuha. So, siya na lang pupunta sa dump para maalis na yan. Si Holly tsaka si Riley.
12, sorry.
Thursday?
12.
Okay, Thursday daw. So, today? Babe, today?
That's right.
Si Riley tsaka si Holly na dun sa kwarto. Did you miss me, Zach? Oh, you don't know. Dad don't know. Thanks for that. You didn't miss me then.
We did yesterday.
I'm asking you, did you miss me?
What's that card?
Zach, did you miss me, Zach?
So it's, I don't know.
You don't know, right?
I don't know.
So you don't miss me?
What do you have for tea?
We had a good one.
We had hot dogs, and chicken adobo.
Ah, see, I told you, Han, Mom will make chicken adobo. Because favorite niya ng mga bata ni Hunter tsaka ni Holo. We have a fritada.
There's some left for you.
Yeah. Yeah, for later you can have that.
Made with that.
Yeah, Zaki. Can you hit him for me, Ryan?
On the late.
Do this.
Wrong.
Ryan, go to Tito John. Galing din ito mag-footy eh. Go, Riley.
Oh, my toe!
Ang galing niya rin mag-kick. Oh, good job!
Your hands out front.
Front daw, Baba. Yeah, that's right.
Like this.
See, Mum,
Look, Uncle John.
Mum, look.
Yeah. Mario. Maglalaro ako ng Super Mario. Hiramin ko kay Hunter later pag may time ako. Dami kong gagawin eh. Meron tayo dyan na pa-eye mask. Kasi yung aking mata ay medyo pa. And yung pimples ko, medyo matagal-tagal na ito. Pero ayan, dry naman. Dati sobrang laki niya.
Yeah, successful.
Hiningi niya yung password ng ating internet kasi, ayan.
You just got
Hindi sila makalabas kasi umuulan, malamig. Tingnan niyo si Holly. Oh, you miss your sister, but not mommy.
Don't even say a name. I'm like,
Do you miss me? Did you miss me? You don't know talaga. So, mag-yoga na ako. Kasi si Holly mamaya, i-drop off ko, then mag-grocery tayo. And bukas, who's coming tomorrow, Holly? Who's coming tomorrow?
oh,
Who's coming tomorrow?
to Veronica.
Huh?
To the Kathy and Veronica and to the
Yeah, the Warrens family. Pupunta
Mom,
dito.
who's your big? Come here. I'm the mongrel. Who am I in big?
Mario.
Mario.
Yeah, I want Mario.
I'm the mongrel.
Ayan, laro na siya. Okay.
Come here.
Maglaro muna ako.
Say that he's
Inalok ako ni Zach eh.
not a game.
Na-excited pa naman tayo sa pa-Maryong to. Wala sila yung... Wala siya. Yeah, but I like the one that jumping and then get the star. Yeah, that's the one I want. Yun ang gusto kong laro. Iba naman to. Nag-level up na si Mario. Hindi ko yun alam. So, kayo na...
What mini games do you want to play?
The one that I just told you. The one that jumping and getting stars,
That one.
coins.
No. Not that one.
Okay, mag-yoga na lang ako. So yeah, sila Kat, punta dito bukas. So mag-shopping ako. Grocery shopping tayo. And yung aking cake kagabi, hindi ko na close yung vlog kasi naging insufficient na yung ating memory card. So, eto naman, hindi ko alam kung kailan siya tatagal kasi kunti lang din yung length nito. Nag-transfer ako, so we'll see. Okay, yung cake, nahati ko na. Ayan, nahati ko siya sa 3. Yung isa parang hindi even. We'll see kung mariremedyohan ko siya. Antok na rin ako kagabi. So, yan, mag-yoga muna ang inyong lingkod. Inyong lingkod. Mag-yoga muna ako.
I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just.
Look at you! What's your team? You're Brisbane?
Well, now I'm turning to Essendon.
You're turning to Essendon because you're wearing Kuya TJ's Essendon jersey. Mag-ano raw sila maglalaro ng footy, malamig. See you. Why don't you put long sleeve underneath? You alright? Alright. Ayan. Okay. Bigyan niya na ito kay Hunter. Lalabhan lang naman yan.
Where's our brush?
Brush for what?
To wipe the chalk off.
I don't know. Ask Daddy. Okay, close the door, please. Naka-ano na pala ako, nakabihis na tayo para mamaya.
With me to get nah.
Baba, we have to go in 30 minutes kasi 11 dapat nandun ka na. May alam ba kayo kung paano magtanggal ng talsik ng oil? Ayan. Once or twice ko pa lang ito nasusuot. Ang ganda pa naman nito.
Mom, it's 9:57.
Yeah. Maganda to kasi very warm. May ganyan siya, oh. Chemo bang tawag dyan? Nabili ko to sa Queensland. Kaso nga lang, yeah, not raindrops. May raindrops daw. That's oil, Baba. Kung sino may alam na paano magtanggal ng mga talsik ng oil, let me know. Comment down below, please. Thank you. So, ayan yung ating kasuotan for today. Ang lamig ngayon. Oy, come on, Holly. Come on, ayusan ko na si Holly, yung buhok niya ba? Come on. Oh, si Sak naka-pink na ano.
I think
Look ako yung Sak. He's wearing pink. Why are you wearing Holly's helmet? Ah, you forgot. Ikaw na talaga nakalimot ng helmet mo doon kay lolo mo. Oh, si Hunter na. Mahaba na yung buhok ko. Oh, natatali ko na siya ng ganito kahaba pa. Dati,
Here, I'll give you some.
maliit lang siya ngayon. Haba
I
na.
think this is new.
No, I got some.
That's not new. I-try ko daw yan sa kanya. Madulas yung buhok niya. Gusto niya donut. Mag-bun pa.
Donut.
Donut. Hoy, close the door, Baba. It's cold. Itong mga bata, ito labas-pasok. So, ayusan ko lang si Holly.
Sleep talk, don't wanna wake up.
So, ayan. Tapos ko na siyang ayusan para kanyang may ipot. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Pinatanggal ni Johnny Boy yung tali natin. Gusto niya nakalugay lang yung buhok natin. So, dapat lagi ko siyang paplansyahin. And, wala tayo. Hindi ako naglagay na cushion. Ano lang. Skincare and sunscreen and lip tint. Yun lang. Okay. We're going now, Holly. Let's go, Baba. Yeah, ida-drop up ko muna siya kila Auntie Mel, then mag-grocery. Grocery tayo. And si Sak, umalis sila ni Hunter. Nag-ride silang bike para kumuha ng ibang bata. Yung friends nila. Kasi malapit lang yung mga bahay nila dito sa amin din. So, mayroon siyang dalawang na-recruit para maglaro sila ng footy. Okay, let's go, Baba! Dahil malamig, mag-boots tayo. And ayun sila. Malamig. And meron sila ditong scoring na board. So, yan yung scoring board nila. Essendon versus West Coast. 3-2. Ewan ko ba't may isa pang 3 dyan sa baba. Dito na tayo kila Auntie Mel. Oh, lamig. Saan ka ng bata ka? Ikaw. Oh, Auntie Mel's not here? Ah, nakala. Alright. Hi. Okay. Enjoy your shopping. Good luck. Okay, mag-shopping na rin ako. Bye, Baba. Enjoy. Love you. Ala, dito ako sa Filipino store. Parang wala nang tinda. Ano kayang meron? May notes siya eh. Parang walang laman. Under renovation pala ang kanyang tindahan. Wala din siya. So, wala tayong nakuha kasi nasa box yung mga paninda niya. Thank you. Nandito lang yung anak niya. Ay, nakalock. Ay, hindi ko mabuksan. Ikaw na, nak. Thank you. See ya. Ayan, nasa labas siya. Yung mga estante niya. Punta na lang ako sa isang Asian store and tingnan nyo yung weather. Ang lamig at saka umuulan. Dito ako sa malaking Asian store. Sana meron sila ng hinahanap ko. Meron sila ditong spaghetti sauce. So, kuha ko nito. Yung isa ay cheesy and yung isa naman yung regular lang. And Jufran. Try nga natin to. Kasi naubos na yung banana ketchup nila eh. Thank you. See you next time. Next Asian store. Dito naman tayo malapit sa dancing ni Holly. Na, dating. May mga bagong dating na gulay. Oh. Ayan. Do you have oxtail? Oxtail? Ito yung kanyang tinda. Ito yung mga fresh vegetables niya. Meron siyang mangga. Sweet daw to eh. And may sour. Wala sila. Gusto ko yung kamote pero wala sila. What's that?
That one, purple yam.
What's this? Purple yam.
This one, yeah.
Ah, yam. Purple yam. Oh. Is this purple as well?
Yes, usually people make cake that one. This one, cooking.
Okay.
So delicious. It's look different.
May taro din sila. Oh, ang laki nga lang.
It's okay.
Yes.
Eto, may papaya sila. Kuha ulit ako ng papaya. So, ayan yung nabili natin sa dalawang Asian store. And ayan yung egg. Bago ako mag-post, mag-foodland muna tayo. Kasi, kuha ako ng pata. Pata. Tingnan nyo kung sino ang nakikita ko, si Auntie Mal tsaka si Holly. Kasi nag-Kmart sila. Di ba, oh. Wow, look at you! Oh my God! Let me see your nails. Oh, let me go. Pink, red, purple, orange. What? Black? Why? Why black? Nagpa-nail polish siya. Black ang pinalagay niya. Dito ako sa Foodland. Bumibili sila ng drink sa Boost. Hanap tayo ng pata. Pata. Yung magtita yun na nagdi-date. Doon yung magtita nagdi-date. Ang cute ang magtita. Nagdi-date yung dalawa after mag-shopping. Nakuha ko na yung gusto ko dito sa Foodland. Sama raw siya pag-uwi ni Auntie Mel kasi mag-grocery pa ako. Ayan yung mga nakuha niya. Thanks, Auntie Mel. Ito raw, ibibigay niya yung kalahati kay Veronica.
Mom, why do you get a high
Yeah,
school
I know. Ayan na yung loom niya.
Show me what you got to.
I'll see you later, okay? That one. Alright, see ya. Thanks, Auntie Mel. See ya. Okay. Finally, close na tayo.
Now I know I'm the one who
separate bags so much. Thank you.
Section 16.
Yung last natin. Tapos na tayo mag-grocery. Naka-line up na yung ating cart. So, magbayad na tayo. Ang ganda niya mag-pack. Ayan, ang ganda niya mag-packing, oh. Okay? Okay, uwi na tayo. Hindi pa pala tayo uwi. Kukunin pa natin si Holly sa tita niya. Kawawa, mayroon doon na. Kawawa yung yung mama doon. Meron doon sa may paglabas ko. Merong nakahilatang matanda. Tapos, ang daming tao kasi tinutulungan. Ginagawa nila ng first aid. Kawawa siya dun. Sana okay lang. Ilagay na natin to dito. Nandito pa yung sapatos ni Holly. Yung boots niya ba. Namiss ko yung mga boys. Kasi usually sila tumutulong sa akin maglagay dito. Back.
Before I go again.
Okay, halis na tayo. Punta na tayo kay Auntie Mel. And meron pa tayo dito mga napamili natin sa Asian store. Ayan na yung dumating na yung ambulance. 'Di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo na may nakahilatang matanda doon na lalaki? Ayan, dumating na yung ambulance. Sana okay lang siya. I'm here. What are you doing? What were you saying?
Anima was so kind because she let me have 4 things.
Yeah, Auntie Ma is the nicest auntie. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, may nails pa siya. Ang daming binili ni Auntie Mel, tas nagpaspa pa sila.
Hey guys, so
Oh, Auntie Mel. Auntie Mel.
guys.
Okay, we're going home later na, Baba.
Look at there.
You don't want this? Okay, later na, Baba. Look at that nails. It's
What
black,
is
Daddy.
that?
I know.
What does he do with this one? What is that? What is that?
To make bracelet. No, go inside na, Baba. Not here.
You can do that when Riker comes.
Yeah. So you have something
But
to
don't
do.
get it everywhere. Oh,
Yeah.
man.
Ang
So
dami.
you got makeup.
She already got makeup. Tawagin natin yung boys. Boys, help! Oh, you're still playing. Help, help, help. And yung ating pa-flowers, bumili ako ng flowers. Ay, sorry, babe. Sorry.
What's taking on?
Chicken. Ito yung flower natin. Naglalagas na. Pero okay pa naman siya, diba? Pero papalitan na natin yan. May bago tayo. Yung white naman yung binili ko. The chicken machado. You had chicken machado? Oh, that is it. No, today.
Oh, what do you mean?
The chicken that I cook. No? Alright.
What does it look like?
Siya lang yung nagbababa. Sa can you pick the empty bottle there? Oops, sinara. Tingnan yung mga bata, oh. Kumuha sila ng Coke. Kasi di ba naglagay ako ng Coke dyan. So, ayan. Hi! Ang cute niyan. Where's, Taj? He left. Why? Alright. Thank you, Hans. Siya lang ang nagbaba.
have a snack?
Yeah, I have chips there. You didn't help Daddy. So, magpuput away na ako. Put away, put away. Not that one, that's for baking. Bumili ako ng chicken, yan yung dinner namin. Kasi ang gagawin ko ngayon ay yung cake. After ko magput... Yeah. But we don't have jars. Thank you, honey. Ayan, bumili ako ng eggs.
Go, just that.
Yes. Help me, please. All the soft drinks. And then fruit box will go in the fridge. Thank you, Hunt. This one, Hunt. All, yes, all the Coke, yes. And then TJ will come back. It's alright, you can come back. Oh, pinipilit niyang. We're gonna have chicken and rice. Is that alright? And eggs if you want. Okay, eggs, okay. Whose turn to put this in the recycle bin? Whose turn? Zaki? Kasi may take turn sila kung sino ang mag-dispose niyan dun sa labas. Kasi meron yan na bin. So, ito yung flowers na nabili natin. Puti naman this time. Oops. So, mamaya, ilalagay ko yan. So, ang dami kong ipuput away. Put away.
It doesn't matter.
So, bukas, ang lulutuin. Bukas, hindi ko pa alam kung ano lulutuin ko, pero ang dami kong nabili pala sa Asian store. Ayan, meron tayong purple yam. And may kamuting kahoy. Gusto ko siyang gawin na ginataang kamuting kahoy. Yung nagmamantika-mantika. Oh my God. And may kangkong. Anuin ko lang to. Ay, adobo ko lang siya. And meron tayong papaya, yung green, and meron din akong papaya, yung red or orange. Dalawang binili ko. And may nakita rin ako dun na, ano ba yun? Yung pula na parang bell, na meron kami nun sa kapitbahay. Yung bell, anong tawag doon? Tambis? And eto, this one please. Sa bathroom namin to, in storage. Thank you. And meron akong napili sa Foodland. Ito talaga ang hinahanap ko sa Foodland. Buo siya na pata, pero pinaslice ko. And baka next time, baka hindi na pwede kasi delikado raw. Baka raw ano yung kamay, hindi ko alam. So akala ko okay lang. Kuya, okay lang daw sa kanya. Ayan. And eto, malaki tong pata. Ito yung malaki talagang pata. Pinaslice ko din sa kanya. Gusto ko tong gawing humba or yung paksiw na may. Ito, lagyan ko siya ng purple yam. Oh my God, I'm excited. And meron din tayo ditong malaking, ano din, legs. Legs ba siya? Shoulder. Pang roast naman, pero hindi ko siya i-roast. So, yan yung nabili ko dun sa Asian. Madami yan. Nasaan pa yung iba? Etong Asian na to, dun to, malapit sa dance lesson ni Holly. And bumili ako nito, yung pampalabok. Hindi ko makapagpalabok ako. Coconut, tatlong coconut, and manggang yellow. Manggang green na matamis. Then, doon sa isa is Jofran. Masarap lang Jofran, di ba? And sauce. Spaghetti sauce, dalawa. So, yan yung mga nabili ko. Yung sa cost, nakita nyo naman. So, i-put away ko lang to kasi gagawin ko pa yung cake. Ayan, madami-dami pa akong ipuput away. Meron akong biniling parsley. Meron naman silang parsley, mint, and basil. Meron pa kasi akong basil dito, tsaka mint. Okay pa naman sila. Yung parsley, ang wala na ako. So, we'll see kung how long siya maglalast. You want banana? Yes, you can have banana. Get the new one. Oh, can someone help him, please? Okay, good job.
It's already off.
Yeah, good job. Oh, snack muna sila dyan. Umuwi na yung mga bata. Kinuha ulit ni Zach kasi tumigil na yung ulan. Ayan, naglalaro na naman sila sa labas. Pati si Holly, ayun na. Umulan na, ayan. Nagsilungan na muna sila. Yung ulan kasi paano, hinto-hinto. Ang cute nila. And meron palang mga hindi bumuka na flowers. Ayun, madami. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nililinis ko lang. Eto kasi okay pa naman yung yung bulaklak ba. So, siguro ihalo ko siya dito sa white. So, ayan na yung ating pabulaklak dito. Nagpapakulo na pala ako ng patatas kay Johnny Boy. And tapos ko na rin i-put away lahat ng pinamili natin today. And meron akong bagong itatry na oil, cooking oil namin. Ang ginagamit ko dati is canola oil and vegetable oil. Pero yung canola oil kasi ngayon ay may something sa in-spray nila. So, meron pa ako dito pero hindi ko na siya uubusin kasi sabi niya huwag ko na raw itong gamitin. Kasi, yeah, yung parang fertilizer o yung spray nila sa canola ay may something daw. So, ngayon, itatry natin tong Alpha 1 100% pure rice bran oil. So, itry ko to. So, yan ang aming oil for frying. And, meron ako olive oil. Pero sa mga deep fry, eto. So, yan ang ating isa-substitute sa ating vegetable oil or canola oil. So, yung canola oil, ilalabas na ito ni Johnny Boy mamaya. Ayaw niya na yung paggamit. Okay, lutuin ko na yung dinner ni Jan. May schnitzel si Jan. Mag-schnitzel si Jan, beef. And then yung mga bata, chicken at saka omelette. Gusto nila ng egg omelette. So, yan yung ating next na gagawin. Diba? Hindi natin ito And yung aking cake, hindi ko pa magawa-gawa. Ano na yun? Magagawa ko pa ba yun? Yung mga bata, enjoy na enjoy sa labas as in. Kung maririnig nyo lang sila. Rain or shine. Okay. First time kong gumamit nito. Yung ginagamit ko sa akin is yung avocado oil. Ayan, siguro sa ano yun. Okay lang. Wala naman siyang amoy. Yung kay Johnny Boy din pala, olive oil yung kanyang pang deep fry na like schnitzel. Pero pag mga fried chicken, yan yung gagamitin ko. At saka, para nagpiprito ng spring rolls. Ito na pala yung ginagamit ko rin kay Johnny Boy. Sa mga bata, olive oil pag mga ano lang, yung hindi masyadong i-deep fry. Like yung eggs, olive oil na tayo. Ako naman avocado oil. Hey! Pinaparod yung mga bata. It's cold, honey. Look at them. They're crazy.
Crazy.
I know, it's freezing talaga. Pero, wala. Hindi nila nararamdaman.
Say, Johnny.
Careful, ha? Careful with that tint, okay?
No, there's stuff there.
Yeah. Careful with that tint. May ano dun. Ayan, si Rylan. Ang galing din yan. Si Holly ka-team ni Zach.
Go, Ryland. Go, Ryland. Go. Kick it, kick it, kick it. Kick it, kick it.
Oh, Kuya! Be nice to him! Si Kuya na talaga. Pero lamang sila, Rylan. Go, Zach! Rylan, get it! Good job! Oh my God, ang lamig-lamig doon. Ayan, mainit na yung aking kawali. Yan, tapos na sila.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's ready.
Oh my God, your hands are freezing. Maligo muna sila tapos kain na. So, ito yung dinner ni Jan. Maglalagay na lang siya dyan ng sauce. Gutom na mga players. Tapos na sila maligo. Ininit ko rin pala yung ating tirang afritada. Ito kay Johnny Boy to. Give it to Daddy.
You got that?
And kakataw ng chicken yung binili ko sa Coles. Tapos may egg sila. So, yan yung ulam nila. What's that, Zach? It's good? Yeah? Si Holly nasa shower pa. Yung kay Jan, may cheese yan on top yung kanyang schnitzel. This is Holly. Yeah, Holly can sit after you. Magtapos na siya. So, ayan, kain na sila. Sauce, here. Good? Huh? The fritada?
Yes.
Yeah? How about you, love? Gusto niya yung ano, paa. Para sila ni Holly. You want me to cut it? You alright? Okay. Ayan na si Holly. Tapos na siya mag-shower. Si Jan tapos nang kumain. Nandun na siya. Kuha na siya ng drink.
Love you, Mom.
Love you too, Zach.
Love you, Mom.
I love you too, Kuya. Thanks, Holly. You're welcome. You're welcome, Hunter. Oh, you're welcome, Rylan. Ayaw yung tawaging Ryle. Gusto niya, Rylan. So, Hintayin ko silang matapos, hugasan ko yung mga pinagkainan nila, linisin ko yung kusina, then gawin ko na yung cake. Hopefully, matapos ko yung cake tonight. Tapos na ako maghugas and tulog na yung mga kasama ko. So ngayon, we'll see kung matatapos ko to. Eto, maingay to. So baka sa garage ako gagawa ng frosting niya. So update ko na lang kayo kung matatapos natin to, guys. Okay?
We talk late at night like we're lettermen. We're deeper right now than I've ever been. Overthinking this would be irrelevant. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right. Putting praise to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane to leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our